business has changed a lot over the past years. The burden of inventory used to fall much heavier on the store owner. Now it's falling much heavier on us, the distributor. So more than ever, we have to be able to manage our inventory and make sure we have what our customers need and be able to ship it quickly and efficiently. I'm Josh Emery, president of Emery Distributors. We are a wholesale distribution company selling hobby goods, trains, models, rockets, paints, tools, all that kind of stuff to hobby shops. I can't even comprehend trying to run this business without good, reliable software. I think we have about 50,000 SKUs in the system. Couldn't imagine trying to keep track of that. The main reason the transition occurred, that we made the switch to ALERE, was our old software was no longer supported. So I was looking for new software where we would not run into that problem where, where the support would be kept up and very reliable. And looked at a number of accounting packages, but ALERE looked to be the most flexible and reasonably priced. I believe the software should work for us, not us working for the software. We use the ALERE accounting, which includes the sales module, the purchase module, the general ledger, and we also use the analytics. I'm really happy with ALERE software because it's very stable, it's reliable, and they are constantly updating and expanding the capabilities. They're extremely responsive. If there's a feature that I wish they would have, I can just email them and say, hey, I wish you guys had this. And if it makes sense to them, they just build it into the next release. And at that time, the next release comes out and I get a little email that's like, hey, you asked for this, and here it is. So they're really responsive.